welcome back to my channel. My name is Nidhi and today I've brought a new video for y'all, that is how I clean my mom's wardrobe. So by the picture in the thumbnail only you would have got to know the difference of the before and after. It was such a great transformation of my mother's wardrobe as it was very messy. I actually made it messy, so that is why I thought of giving a makeover to it. So hope you'll really enjoy this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. Guys, as you can see, this is the wardrobe that my mom uses. It's made of wooden doors and it's a very nice and long cupboard. So you can see now this is a before look. It looks so messy. I've only taken like a lot of sarees and put it back because I wanted to make some videos, and that is why. And now you can see even below there is a lot of mess which I'm going to clear today. So you can see that is the daily wear shelf and all the shelves over there. I'm going to clean all of them today. So first I'm going to start with the sari shelf here so that it'll be neat and clean because that is the biggest shelf. So I start by putting everything down, and I felt it would be boring for y'all, so I'll just finish it in a moment and be back. You can see it's clean now, and now I take a cloth and clean it even more so that if there is any dirt, the cloth will get spoiled. So always keep your cupboard clean. And now I'm going to fold one sari and show you all so that you have an idea of how to fold it. And if you fold it really thick, and it will be very messy, so I fold and show you. This is how I fold the sari and arrange it really well. I fold it into a like thin kind of a thing so that you can place it very nicely, and then I bring all the saris and place it there. So outer corners I keep all simple saris, as you can see, and now in the center I'm going to place all grand saris. Now you can see that the sari is falling because it's not able to hold its position. So I just lift up a sari and keep it under, and now it is firm and tight. So this is what you have to do. Some sari is not standing properly. And now you can see I'm going to take up all the grand saris and keep it because my mom uses very rarely, only for functions and marriages. So these are the two areas of all grand and very gaudy saris. And now you can see I'm taking hangers and going to hang my saris there. I mean my mom's saris, because this is her go-to saris. That is, she wears it almost most of the days. Sari, so that is why I'm using the saris which she uses regularly and keeping it in a hanger so that it'll be easy for her. And then I arrange it there, and then take her some of the blouses. Those are ready-made blouses and they have nice design on it, so if you keep it here and there, it gets spoiled. So and then I arrange it really well. And now you can see the final look of the sari shelf. It looks so neat and I'm really impressed, and I hope my mom will really enjoy the way I did it. And now I'm going to start with the daily wear shelf. That shelf my mom keeps all her daily wear clothes. So first I'm going to remove everything, and then I cleaned it thoroughly. And now I'm using this trays. So these trays I bought from Amazon, and they are amazing trays to organize your clothes, and it will be so organized and it will stay for a very long time. If you organize it otherwise, it will come out very soon and it will look very messy. So I'm going to fold two clothes and just show you how you have to fold to keep in this tray. And by folding like this, you can see I've placed it in the tray. You can find all your clothes. You can wear different colors of your clothes, and it will be so organized and neat. Now you can see how I folded it. So you can pick any color you want, any chudidar you want, any legging you want, and it's very easy and you're good to go. So now I'm using another tray and just folding, and now I folded so many clothes. I didn't want to show everything because again you would feel bored again. So I'm just going to arrange the trays and show you how I arrange. You can arrange however you want, but I'm arranging one on top of the other. So this side I've kept all tops. My mom has a lot of tops, so that is why I've kept the trays which have tops in one side. And then in this side I've kept all the bottoms, that is the leggings, the patialas, palazzo pants, and a lot of things. I tried keeping in the edge, but it was not fitting, so I just kept it at the same place. So yeah, I bought almost 12 trays from Amazon. If you want the links, I will leave it in the description box, and don't forget to check it out. It's really amazing trays. And then I stack one in the end over there. You can see there was no place, so I kept it like that, but it was really nice. You can pull it out like a drawer and use it anytime, and it was very good to go. And now you can see the final look. It's amazing. So now moving on to the last shelf over there, and these are all bed sheets and pillow covers that we kept because we want to organize that also and not keep it messy. So now what I do is I plug everything out, and I found that there was a lot of dust over there because like bed sheets and all, when they are moist, if you keep there, a lot of dust will come. So I started cleaning there with a cloth and became very sparkling clean. Now I'm going to show you how I fold my bed sheets so that this doesn't occupy a lot of place. And then I roll it like that and keep it, and I keep all the bed sheets just like that. And you can see how neat organized it looks now. And now in the bag which I'm catching in my hand, I'm going to put all the pillow covers in it so that it's very easy and handy to just take it. So I put everything and I keep the bag, and that's it. That's it, guys. So you can see the final look. It looks so amazing, neat and organized. You should do it for your mom or your parents because they'll be really, really happy. They have done so much for you. This is at least the one little thing that you can do for them. So please don't forget to do it or try it out. That's it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed, and if you really enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you like the video, and comment if you are going to do a transformation of your wardrobe too. And let's see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.